Hey, we're going to talk about 3 ways to use crypto, part 1, because there's plenty more to talk about. Let's get into it. Today we're going to talk about the use of crypto for 1. Low-cost money transfers, 2. Yield farming, and 3. Censorship resistance. Alright, number 1, low-cost money transfers. Most common in sending and receiving payments at low cost and high speed. We have companies already doing this. Everybody's heard of Ripple. I've talked about them before. But if you're just tuning into this channel, Ripple's big on this. We have XRP transferring money from one person to another, no matter where they are, for a fraction of the cost. In this case, we have an example of a $99 million Litecoin transaction only taking 2.5 minutes, and it cost them 40 cents in transaction fees for $99 million. For $99, if you were to go to a MoneyGram or a Western Union, you can send $99 for 40 cents. So crypto changes everything when it comes to transferring money from one place to another at a very low cost. Why not give more money to the person you're sending your money to, right? Next, we're going to get to yield farming. Many cryptocurrency owners hold their coins for long-term gains. There are ways to earn steady interest on crypto, and you can do that through DeFi lending, which is still not risk-free and not insured by the FDIC. And there's crypto staking, which I'm big on. I really love crypto staking, and it's essentially riskless because all you do is you hold your money, you hold your crypto there, and you get paid in the crypto you hold. Just imagine if your bank would pay you an interest of 5% on holding your money in the bank. Some people think they're getting 5%. You're getting 0.05%, maybe 0.06% or whatever, but that's not even 1%. Next, we're going to talk about censorship resistance. While you probably don't think your bank account and assets could be frozen, the reality is this occurs more often than people realize. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin act as a censorship-resistant alternative store of wealth that only the individual with the private keys to the wallet has access to. This means no personal Bitcoin wallet can ever be frozen by authorities.